refrigerator handle. These are always breaking. Here's one that broke. And I just wanted to show you a trick to keep these from breaking. What you want to do is put a piece of double-sided sticky tape underneath the deal first. Tear off a piece and put that underneath your handle first, just like so, and that'll make it a lot less likely to break off because these are just notorious. This will let the tape help, so stick it on and then pass the screws through, and that'll keep it, make it a little bit less likely to break. These are, like I said, really bad about snapping off like that, but that could help. Make it a little less likely to break off.